Good class, today we are going to study about Venn diagram shading. Now we will discuss only two of this Venn diagram. First one is we have two overlapping circles, and then we have this one. The part 2 will be three overlapping circles. Now we know already the meaning of U, which is union. So if you have A and then the symbol of union and B, it means that the set of elements at A is with the set of all points or elements at B. We combine them A plus B. So we have set A here, we combine also the set in B, then we have A union B. Union means end. Now, if you have A intersection B, it means that the element, or maybe one or two elements in the set A is also present in set B. So they share the same elements. So that one is here. This portion is being shared by set A and by set B. And then the third one that we are going to discuss is the meaning of A prime. A prime means the set of elements that cannot be found in set A. So that's the meaning of A prime, not in A. But we are going to have this shading now, class. So I'm just going to erase this one. Now before we shade, let us have our Venn diagram here. This one is the symbol of universal set. So in our universal set, it is enclosed in a rectangle and we have two circles. The first circle is set A and the second circle is set B. And this we have the overlapping area here, in which this was the intersection of set A and set B. Okay, first we name all the regions. How many regions do we have here? 1, 2, 3, and the outside is also included, 4. So let us name this one. Element or set A is 1, set B is 2, this 2 only, this one, this portion, this is 1, and 3 is the intersection, and the fourth one is the set of all elements that is not on A or on B. So let's have set A. Enumerate set A here. So set A, we have 1 and 3. So these two are the elements of set A. Set B, what are the elements of set B? So the elements of set B is 2 and 3. So we have 2 and 3. Alright, then let's list down the elements of A not. Elements that can be found in set A. So what is A prime? So 1 is here, we're gonna put it there. 2 is not here. So 2, 3, no. So we have 2 and 4 as not in A. B prime, not in B. It's B prime. Okay, 1 is not in B. So we have 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So we have this set of elements at A, set of elements at B, set of elements not in A, not in B. Okay. Now let's have number 1. We have A and B. Okay. A. So you list down A. So the elements of A is 1 and 3. Now we will find the intersection of that with what? With B prime. So let us list the B prime. So the B prime here is 1 and 4. So what is the intersection here? Common to both of them. So it is only 1 here. which is common to this A and B prime. So where's number 1? So number 1 is here, so we shade this one only, this portion here, class. So we shade this one here. That is our shaded area. Okay, that is for number 1. Number 2, we have A prime intersection with the B prime. So where's the A prime here? A prime is 2, 4. It will intersect with the B prime. Where's the B prime? Here. 1 and 4. So let's have the intersection of this and this. So it is 4 only here. So where's the 4? The 4 is the outside. So we shade this portion here. Okay. Right, so that is number 2. Okay, let's have number 3 class. We have A not union B. So let's list the elements of A not, which is 2 and 4. But this one is union, means we are going to add the elements in set B. The set B 2, 3. So you need to add the 3 only. Why? Because the 2 is already there. So we have 2, 4, 3. We shade 2, 4, 3. Where's the 2? Alright, the 2 is here. So we shade this one. Okay, the 4, we shade the outside here. And the 3, we shade also this one. So we have all of that. Okay, number 4, A. So we list down A here, which is 1 and 3. And then we add this B prime. The B prime is 1 and 4. So when we combine them, we have 1, 3, and 4. So we shade number 1, this number 1. So we shade here number 1, here. Shade number 3, okay, we shade here also. And we shade number 4, we shade outside here. So we have the unshaded, which is this number 2 only. Okay, number 5. We get first the intersection of A and B. So what's the intersection of A and B? The intersection here, we can easily see that that one is the 3. Okay, the 3 portion, but not the 3. So if that one is not the 3, then we have 1, 2, 4, 5. So we shade 1 here. We shade the 2 here, and we shade the 4 the outside. So it is just like intersection of A and B not. Oh yeah, that's A intersection B not. So we have all the values here in the shaded part here, and that one is unshaded. Number 6. Let's find the A first. Where's the A? A is 1, 3. So we have 1, 3, and they should intersect with the B prime. Where's the B prime? With the 1 and 4. We are not yet there, here only. So what's the intersection of the A and the B not? So I have only 1. But this one is not. Therefore, we have 2, 3, 4. We shade the 2, 3, and 4. Where's the 2 and the 3? So we shade this one This one is 2 and 3, and then the 4. So we have that number 6. Okay, let's have number 7 class. We have A not union B and not. So let's combine the A not. Yes, the A not is 2, 4. 2, 4. That is the A not, 2, 4. Just combine it with B. Where's the B? Here's the B. 2. 2 is there already. 3. We don't have yet the 3. So we have the 3. And then we don't have that one yet. And then we have the prime. So it is not 2, 4, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is only 1. 1 is missing. So where is the 1? The 1 is here. So we shade number 1. And that is for number 7. Okay, let's have number 8. A union B not and not. So let us list down elements of A. So for A, it's 1, 3. List down the B because we are going to add them. Let's have that one in one parenthesis only. So B prime is 1, 4. We have the 4. I mean, I have the 1, but not the 4. So we have 4. And then, don't forget, it's still with the not of the prime. So what is missing here is only the 2 here. The rest, they are all not. So where's the 2? Here. So the 2 is just here. So we just shade this one, class. Okay. Let's have number 9. A not union B not. So the A not here is 4. It's not in A, not in B. So we combine that one because that is U. We just have the plus here. Where's the B? Not. It's 1, 4. So 1 is missing here. 1. 1, 4, 2. That's the not here. So let's say 1. So we say the 1 here. And the 4 is the outside. Here. And the 1, yeah. 1 and 2 or 2 here. Okay, that's it, class.